Hi everyone, welcome to Wire Network. Configuring Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol (DHCP) on a Mikrotik router involves several steps. Here's a step-by-step guide to configure DHCP server on Mikrotik router. Connect your Mikrotik router using Winbox or Webfig. First, you need to configure LAN interface to set up DHCP server. Navigate to IP and select addresses. Click on the plus button to add new address. Enter LAN IP address in the address field. Next, select your LAN interface. Navigate to IP and select DHCP server. Click on the DHCP setup. Choose the interface that the DHCP server will serve. Specify the DHCP address space. Next, define the network gateway IP address. Set the IP address pool range. Next, set DNS servers. Define the lease time. Finally, DHCP server setup has completed successfully. To allowing devices with private IP addresses to access the internet via a public IP address, you will need to create masquerade rule in Mikrotik router. Navigate to IP and select firewall. In the NAT tab, click on plus button to create new firewall rule. Select chain as SRC NAT. In the SRC address, enter your LAN IP address space. Go to Action tab and select Masquerade.